Hello student. Today I am going to tell you about the how to participate in the PISA reading challenge competition. Okay, for that you have to just type in the Google PISA CCT. You have to see the first link CCT test PISA. You just click on them and you will be getting this kind of the screen. Here in the user ID part you have to type your user ID. Just like I am typing here, you can see. Then password, whatever provided by the teachers, and just press the enter key. Okay, this is the inside screen, first screen of the CCT, PISA CCT. You have to see the third tab. Here written the reading challenge. You just click on this reading challenge. You will be getting the three different options. First option is the question paper. Second option for the attempt test, that means you have to opt the numbers A, B, C or N for not attempted. And third option is the log test. Every time it is must to after submitting that one you have to log the test, otherwise it will be not evaluated, or it will be assume that it will be coming under the test is not attempted, only the tried that one. Okay, next part I am just clicking on the question paper first part. You can download either reading challenge in the for English and reading challenge for Hindi. I am just clicking here for the English. You just see the question paper. This is the question paper. 14 pages are there, and after downloading this one you have to take the one paper and a pen or pencil and mark just like the first question is here. You can see read the instructions for the students given here. You are after that reading all these things, and question is related to them given here. Question number 1, 4 options are there. You have to write down in a blank paper. Question number 8, answer 1, A or B or C, which one is the correct option, and then same thing you continue for question number 2, 3, 4, 5 up to the whatever questions are given here. You can see the last question. Last question is the 30. Just like in the PISA CCT also you did this one 30 questions, and you have opted the different out of 4 options. Okay, after that you come back and you see the attempt test. You click on this attempt test and select the financial year here written, that one 2021. RC code, if you have downloaded the English you just click on the English part, and if suppose you have clicked opted the Hindi part, you have to click on the Hindi. You can see all these things here. All options are here given here, so I am just selecting my English part. Question number 1, pick the quality that Dabur showcases via people with raised arms with displayed in its logo. So whatever options you opted there, A or B or C, you have to just click on this part and type here. And after filling all these things, you just see the bottom part. Bottom you can see the submit button. You click on the submit button. This is not a final submission. If you want to change the options after submitting that, you can do that. After ensure that all the options you have selected very correctly, then you come to the main menu. Here reading challenge. Again last option is the log test. You have to just select the year, select the English or Hindi, and you can see without looking anything you have to just click on the log button. I am not clicking here the log button, otherwise it will be logged. So you have to do this much of process only and complete your that PISA reading challenge. Okay, thank you.